Hi friends, and welcome back to Decorate Your Life. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you a Shein haul, and it certainly feels like my birthday has come in early because of all the goodies that I received from Shein. But these are wonderful gift ideas that you could do for Mother's Day or gal pal's birthday or anything in between, graduation, a welcome home theme or anything like that. And I'll be sure to leave you with the links for these items in the description area down below or in my profile. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So I want to start by showing you these really cute phone cases. Shein has a wide array of phone cases for just about any phone out there that's available out there. Myself, I have the iPhone, and I go ahead and I like to order these. I am a sucker for these. I just love these phone cases, and I like to alter them as well. And so they are absolutely cute. I just love them, and you can swap them out depending on the mood. And these are silicone type, so you get a really great grip on this cell phone case. And of course, it's going to have the openings that you need for like your camera and whatnot. You just go ahead and choose the model that you need to use it for. And they also have for Android. Here is another one. When I saw this, I was like, oh my gosh, I gotta have it. I gotta have it. I love it. It is also silicone base, which is, oh gosh, I just love anything that's silicone base. And look at it. It's so cute with the bow and everything. I can't wait to put it on my phone. And then, oh, it's gonna look so cute. I think these make really great Mother's Day gifts, you know, and they're also affordable. So hey, you get the the 3 B's in Spanish: bueno, bonito, y barato. And for those of you who speak Spanish, y'all know what I'm talking about. So yeah, I just love the way they did these beads. So yeah, we got those. And another thing that I was super excited to see in my PR box is this camera. Woohoo! This is one of those instant cameras, and I just, oh my gosh. Let's go ahead and unbox this. Okay, let's see what you get. I'm so super excited. Okay. You get, it says album, 40 sheets. Oh, you actually get an album. Check this out. This is what it looks like. And I take it this is the size of the pictures. Oh my gosh, I'm so super excited. And of course, you know, I can alter something like this, right? And you also get, what's this? Stickers. Excuse me, you get the stickers, I guess, to alter your photo album. And of course, you get the directions, the how-to, runs on batteries, 2 AA batteries, and it tells you how to insert the instant film cartridge and how to run it. Oh, it even has some adjustment dials for you for like indoor, night view, cloudy, and so forth, sunny. And here's another how-to. It looks like a very simple camera to operate. Oh my goodness. Okay, so here we have a little bag to put your camera in when you go out. And what is this? Oh my goodness. Okay, let me put this to the side. Let me go ahead and get the camera out. Anything else in here? No. Oh my gosh. It's heavy, you guys. It's heavy. It's not a rinky-dinky thing, okay? Oh my gosh. Look at my hands and look at the size of this. Oh my goodness. Wow. And I take it the picture comes out over here. Oh my word. Oh my word. My hands are shaking. Oh my word. I'm going to have to read through the instructions on how to use this. Oh my gosh. And over here we get, this is, I guess this goes up here somewhere. Or over here maybe, I don't know. Ah! Look at that. From here, I guess you put it back down. Oh, it's so easy to do. See that? And here's the dial for your settings. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Wow. I wonder if it has the, see, here's an opening. Where, okay, this is where you put the cartridge. Oh my word. And you close it, and I guess the clip goes here. And what's this? Oh, that's where you put, where you're gonna put the batteries, and it's got this little strip for ease of use. I like that. Oh my gosh, I'm so super excited. Yeah, okay, so the color is kind of like a very soft, light pastel pink. That's what it appears to me, mixed with a little bit of beige, and it looks so absolutely adorable. I just love this. It's got a flash. Look over here. It's got a flash, and this is a top, and I guess this is probably, wow, the viewfinder for that. This probably goes, maybe, I don't know. I'm just going to have to read over it. But oh my gosh, this is so super exciting. Let me go ahead and put this down over here along with the album and all of this. Oh my goodness. Okay, now, so the next thing that I got is this really cute sunflower cup. When I saw it in your catalog, I was like, oh my gosh, I gotta have it. I gotta have it. I gotta have it. Put it in your cart. Put it in your cart, Sandy. And let's take a look at this. Oh my goodness. I love this color. This is like one of those, whatchamacallit, Breakfast at Tiffany's. You know, Tiffany's. I don't want to say Breakfast at Tiffany's movie, but Tiffany's. You know, the store. Look at this plate. Oh my goodness. And the cup goes like this. I love this. Looky here. I just gonna give you that angle. Oh my gosh, look how pretty. It's so super pretty. I just love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Let me go ahead, and it is made out of whatchamacallit. What's that word? It escapes me. Look over here, it's so beautiful, so beautiful. And they do have different colors of this. So if you want pink, I just wanted something pastel since I'm already in my craft room. I already have a lot of pink. I've also integrated some of the green. As you can see here, I've integrated colors like these, pastel greens, plus white, and I just love this color combination for my craft room. It just makes me so happy, and it's so much fun to be here and do stuff. So yeah, I just love that cup. This is a perfect gift for any occasion, y'all. It is so super cute. So another item that I got from Shein is this small portable juicer. So let's go ahead and take a look and see what we... Oh my goodness! It's in pink! Look at that! Oh my gosh, this is so super cool! Okay, it's got a USB charger. Okay, it's got a USB charger. Here is one cup, and here is another cup. Oh my word, I just love this. How cute is that? Oh my gosh, perfect for the craft room, ladies and gentlemen. Oh my gosh. Okay, so oh my goodness, it has all the parts, everything that you need. So this is like, it's a mini blender. And here is the on off, and you can, oh, look Look at that. And you could go ahead and plug it in and make your own, I guess this would go on here. I would have to read the directions. It does come with instructions on how to use, and of course this would go like so. You know, you do your smoothie, because I don't know if you've heard me say on other videos how much I just love smoothies, and they're getting to be quite pricey, so I went ahead and got myself a bunch of fruits. I ordered some fruits from the supermarket and I got a bunch of them, and so oh my gosh, look at this, so that I can make my own smoothies. Look at that. Isn't this the cutest thing? Oh my word. I absolutely love this. Love this. This, once again, makes the cutest Mother's Day present, birthday present, graduation. Yes, graduation, especially for those who are going away to college. This is perfect. Perfect. And it is available in several different colors, y'all. So let me go ahead and close this and put this to the side. And last but not least, I'm going to show you something that I'm hoping and praying that it makes a difference in my future videos. Okay, so as some of you know, an unfortunate event happened to me while in surgery, and in which they tried to, intubate me. It took about 5 tries, and during those 5 tries, they went ahead and they severed one of my vocal cords. So, this is why I sound the way I do. Okay, so I am hoping and praying that this system right here, this is a condenser microphone. It says it's a professional condenser microphone with patented audio reference companion for crystal clear sound. I am hoping that I have a better voice output in my videos so that I can go back to making tutorials and longer videos than I do now. And so let's see how this works. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh wow. Okay, here are the specifications and the features that you get. The frequency response graph, okay, and I guess how to use. And oh my gosh, okay, let me go ahead and remove everything from the box. Okay, oh my goodness, y'all, unpacking the box, my jaw was just like dropping. Okay, first of all, this is what the microphone looks like. I love it. It's gold, super gold. And so I'm gonna have to read more about this and how to put it together, but you get everything, the whole thing, so that this way you can just mount it on your desk or up on your shelf or something and bring it down, just like I do with my ring light up here. I have it mounted on my desk, and you know, you go through different things to direct it the way that you want to direct it to, and you do the same thing with this. Okay, so what I love about this system is that it's so hands-free. And so, yeah, I'm going to get to mount it on my desk. And look, these are the different components. I'm sorry about the sound. These are the different components that I'm going to have to use so that I can go ahead and mount it on my desk and bring you the best sound quality that this voice can bring you. And you get one of these to for your microphone to give you that nice intimate, I call it a nice intimate effect, you know, when speaking through one of these in your microphone. You know, it's so quiet and all you hear is just the voice, you know, great for ASMR videos as well. And oh my gosh, so as if this filter, I call it a filter, I don't know what you would call it, a microphone, I guess it would be regarded as a filter. So as if this is not enough, check this out, you also get this second filter. So this way You are truly getting the best sound that you possibly can. I hope that y'all can see that. And oh my gosh, I am so looking forward to testing this. And like I said, and well, I guess this is an on-off thing or something. I will just have to read up on it. And oh my gosh, I am so thankful that Shein sent me all of these items, because I truly honestly want to give you the best experience possible in my videos. So, and I want to go back to doing tutorials as well. Oh my gosh, and here is a USB. And so, yeah, this is it as far as my haul for Shein's. I hope that I've brought you some great ideas for Mother's Day, birthdays, graduation gifts, and any other type of occasion that you want to go ahead and get something special for somebody, and that's not going to cost you an arm and a leg. Okay, so thank you so very much for watching, and I will see you once again real soon. Bye now.